strong gains at Wall Street. Since the end of March, Wall Street has made some strong gains. Mind you, they aren't above 10,000 again, but they are slowly but surely stocks are inching their way back up. There has been a suggested reason for the increase in the stocks. A logical one, positive economic reports and news. Yes, there is still some bad news like the banks that need to raise a ton of money, but for the most part of economic reports that we have been getting has been very positive. There are some areas that seem to be looking good, for example with President Obama's energy plan and the job creation associated with it. The number of those industries have increased significantly. The numbers of many financial institutions have also increased, meaning more loaning, which in turn means more money from small businesses. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 362.24 points, 4.4% last week to the end at 8,574.65. Nasdaq was up 19.8, 1.2% to the end at 1,739.20. The Standard & Poor S&P 500 gained 51.7, 5.9% to the end at 929.23. Other good economic news includes a decline in layoffs in what most expected would be 600,000 in April, but it ended up being 539,000. That decline is most likely due to government payroll increases. As has been the trend for that last 30 years, manufacturing is down another 149,000 jobs in April. With the housing slump still upon us, construction also lost 110,000 jobs in April. Though oil is down from last summer's all-the-time high, it continues to increase daily. Prices most likely will increase while the dollar is weak. Brought to you by www.unsecuredbizloan.com.